Rahim, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, my name is Sunday here. Today, I would like to give you about the assignment for tomorrow. And you know what? The assignment is connecting about your reactions, connecting with Alibata, the figure style from Indonesia. And we have only four songs that you should get reaction, but you have only to choose only two. We have Black or White from Michael Jackson, and then Dance on the Floor by Jello. Also from Indonesia is called Lingsir Wengi, and also we got Wali is called Yang. So from the four songs over there, you try to get reactions, at least two. One from Indonesia, another one from other country. All right, so the deadline of the reactions about the video, it's connecting with that finger style. It should be tomorrow until 9 p.m. All right. Since tomorrow there will be another activities that I should do, and you have to do another assignment that's connecting with your expression on speaking for survival. So I'm reporting directly from my home. Have a great Thursday for tomorrow. Enjoy your life. Wallahuminkum. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. Thank you.